the vlog. Shams yan. Good morning, this is our day 3 and finally our outfit. They are already aligned. Hindi na masyadong malamig. But today, we're gonna go to Taipei 101 and then so on and so forth. Kung ano man ang mga mangyayari pa today. Time check, 7:06 in the morning and we're gonna try to find breakfast. Nagkakagulo na po sa maps. Nag-order na sila ng breakfast doon. Kasi some of their menus, meron pork. Meron din namang hindi, but ayoko rin naman din talaga. Bala ko lang talaga this morning mag-coffee. Pero soy milk is interesting. So, that's gonna be for our breakfast. Taas pa lang. So, ito yung in-order ko. Hot soy milk. Yun lang. Ano sa'yo?
Rice roll with egg and pork.
Wow. Ikaw, Besa, ano order mo?
I have this bacon and fried dumpling and ice.
Wow. Alright, nandito na po kami ngayon sa Taipei Zoo. So, punta muna kami ng zoo. But it's gonna open by 9 a.m. And after that, maggogondola kami. And we're gonna go to Taipei 101. So, ang haba ng ride, ng tren. Kasi we transferred from Green Lane to Brown Lane. Then, ito yung pinakadulo na. Kumbaga, sa LRT1, I don't know kung yung dulo sa LRT1, pero yung pinakamaraming bumababa. So, pupunta po kami sa Maukong Gondola. Tingnan lang namin while waiting for the zoo na mag-open. Grabe, walang tao. Parang... ano kala mo LRT ang nasa taas? Guys, muna na kayo ng Taiwan. Mag-abang kayo ng mga seat sale ng Cebu. Kasi kami, nag-abang kami. Magkano ang ticket natin? 3K each. 3.3 to be specific. Ayun guys, yung gondola. Kita nyo ba? Kung hindi nyo nakikita, bahala kayo. Ayun no? May panda. Parang hagamos. Ano ba yan?
Very good.
Ay! Haba na ng pila guys. Ano? Time check, 8:54. Tapos mahaba na yung pila. But it's fine. No? Still early. So okay lang. And also thank you Jai for your gondola ticket na hindi mo nagamit with your date. Red flag ko kasi. Taipei Zoo Station. Nakuha na namin yung ticket namin for gondola. Thank you so much Jai. Akala ko scam. Cutting the line cutting the line. So pa-upgrade kami from regular cabin to crystal cabin. But we just need to add $50. Dito na kami. Super lamig. Kasi super taas na ito eh. Proceed. Okay. Look at the view guys. Mapakita ko sa inyo. Sandali. It's super green. Super green.
Picture tayo dito.
Okay, so it's time para maglibot-libot dito sa Gaokong.
Hello, isot doon na.
Wow.
Food trip.
Yung magandang pictures dito. Look at the view guys. That's my 360. Taipei Zoo, Xinjiang. Province nga ang atake nila dito. Like, kalmado lang, super. Ang kalmado ng morning nila dito. Almost 10 in the morning na, tapos kalmado pa din sila. Maokong Station. Very, very nice here. Ang slow ng morning, ang sarap ng hangin. Tahimik, Walang mga tao. I wish ganito yung buhay sa Maynila. Lakad-lakad kami dito. Para kami nag-hike. Yan o. Baba kami dyan. Ayun ako machismis. Ano to? Libingan? Ito. Feeling ko libingan yan. Ba't tayo nag-hike? Sa sausage. Chicken sausage? Fortunately, hindi ako makakain kasi it's pork. Tofu pudding, hot mochi. Parang sa hot mochi. Hot mochi. Hi, can I order the hot mochi? Yeah. That's it. Do you guys have change for 1,000? Okay, thank you. So, nag-order ako ng hot mochi. Hindi, okay lang. Sa lunch na lang tayo bumomba. Cost me $55 NTD. Thank you. So after 20 minutes of walking here sa paglalansya namin, we badly want to visit this restaurant here. Okay. Here, I'm gonna tour you around, guys. So basically, gubat-gubat na to. Hindi ko ba alam kung anong gusto lang kainin, damo ba? Kaya akong energy. Isa na breakfast. Ito pang breakfast ko yung soya. Tapos yung mochi, peanut mochi. I need rice. 3 days na akong walang rice, guys. Please, give me rice. Wow! Nasa baba. Kung nabawasan nyo yan, go. Ito guys, water. Because I need water. This is shrimp rice. Dumplings namin. Shrimp. Just the beef rice. Nalaya ako ng pancit. And tapos na kami mag-lunch. Papunta na kami ngayon sa Taipei 101. Gonna ride a bus, tapos gondola, tapos tren. Medyo malayo kasi ito from the city center. As you can see, medyo mga pulo-bundukin. Also habang migrate visit, maybe because weather. Kasi diba, like, super init. Nakikita mo. It's sunny, ganyan. Pero it's so cold. Lamig. Need na namin ng help. Update guys, hindi kami nakapag-bus kasi hindi ko alam. Hindi kami nagkaintindihan nila kuya. Hindi kalahati pa lang tayo ba eh. Ito yung temple kanina. Diyan si Buta sa loob eh. Welcome to Taipei Zoo. Kakatapos lang namin mag-gondola. Giraffe na kami. Anong hayop kung saan natin tren? Giraffe. Nagutom na ako habang nilakad natin tayo. First snack lang kasi magiging tayong food ng kami. Do you have the one-piece chicken only?
Chicken nugget?
No. One mock chicken.
Chicken okay? Oh,
One.
Okay.
And for your chicken mock crispy, do you have the one chicken only? Or no?
Salt.
Solo?
Salt. Okay. Salt.
No, hindi ko nagkaintindihan. Pero feeling ko actually lang one-piece chicken. That's why hindi ako naintindihan. Nung oras na nandito pa rin kami sa zoo, ito yung double cheese chicken.
Tag 2 piece lang meron.
Diba gutom na after of an hour of waiting, finally we have table.
1 hour and
Grabe that I need to buy coffee so hindi ako makatulog kasi I feel so sleepy. This is my first time sa Din Tai Fung sa Taiwan. So it's nice. They gave us
Ito ba yan? Mini chocolate
hot tea for
yeah.
Hi guys, so kakatapos na namin mag-dinner. Pabalik na kami ng Xiamen. Medyo nagkaroon ako ng energy. but I really want to rest na because my back hurts so much. So that's gonna be it for today. I hope I'll see you guys tomorrow because I feel like I want to rest, but at the same time I don't want to miss that day because I don't know where's the next time I'll be here. So yeah, let's make the most out of time. Let's make the most out of time. So it's been a long day. But yeah. By the way, yung mukha ni Jenny dyan na parang in-edit. Parang siyang waffle, pero meron siyang cheese sa loob. Ang cute, parang tingnan natin. Wala akong nanap na upuan, dito na lang. Pero so I also have to